Good morning, class. I'm Professor Reed Richards. Today's topic, quantum entanglement theory. Let's begin.
Energy bends and vacuum distortion, equations collapse, divine in proportion. Particles pivot through vectors entangled in systems beyond your perception. State uncertain, locked in position. The moment you look, it collapses in rhythm. The Schrodinger's cat in a quantum embrace, alive and deceased till the box is displaced. Duality flickers, waveform divides. A particle frozen in time, opposite charges in balance decay. Mass oscillates in relative phase. Quantum recursion, values uncertain. Observe it, collapse it, function obeys. Space-time's a fabric, it stretches, it folds. Mass relativity asserts its control. Gravity constantly warping in motion, shifting the path an object upholds. Unseen dimensions and echoes confined, wrapped in threads of a brilliant mind. Curving through tensors, momentum defies. Energy ripples in space-time's design. From subatomic to infinite scale, mapping existence in logic unveiled. Consciousness woven in physical threads, entangled in echoes where matter is spread. Break this down, atomic cohesion, particle rupture, field equation, spin position, mass exponential, mapping constant, storms differential, protons, neutrons compressed in the core, held by force like gluons restore, electrons in orbit repelled in collision, probability locked in precision, strong force, weak force, gravity binding, charge interaction, systems aligning, mass resist change, inertia sustains, objects at rest or in motion remain, energy quantized, states redefined, frequency shifts as dimensions align, light bends and fractures in spectral arrays, lens in the void where the cosmos decays, every structure falls under strain, inverse the pattern, dismantle the chain, matters a puzzle of forces combined, answers concealed in patterns aligned, expanding fabric of infinite planes, spaces and empty, it charges remains, vibrations ripple through energy strings, solving equations for unspoken things. Singularity folds in gravity wells, bending space where curvature dwells. Light never exits, speeds are restricted, nothing escapes once thresholds are hit. Warping momentum, velocity stretched, bending the frame of objects it met. Time dilates when closer to mass, seconds expanding, gravity's cross. Dark matter shifts in fabric of space, unseen yet shaping galactic embrace. Galaxies spin at impossible speeds, mass unaccounted but traced in degrees. Universal collisions, emerging equations, infinite outcomes of tangled relations. Probability forms in the lattice, existence itself is inherently static. Wormholes connect where frameworks divide. Tunnels refract through infinite sides, folding the structure, bridging the seams. Past and future converging between. Physics relentless, equations refined. This is the nature of space and of time.
That concludes today's lecture. Any questions? Class dismissed.